Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am going to do the first week ever in my 2025 Planner Envy signature layout planner. I have not filled out this part yet, but I have picked out the stickers that I'm using, so at least I have that. I wanted to show you guys, this is the health and fitness section that I did. It's going to take me a few tries to really figure out exactly how I want it to work for me. But this is pretty much what I came up with just for this month. This is not, I don't think I'm going to do plan with me's for these, but I will show them to you guys if you guys are interested in them. Basically, I'm going to track, these are my goals. And then at the end of every week, I will list what my averages were in each one. And then this side I'm going to use for journaling about how everything's going and what I'm doing. And then the budget, I didn't do much. I just put, our paydays and our bills. Again, I got this planner to reduce the amount of time I spend decorating because I still have 3 other planners to decorate. So I really wanted to keep this one simple and minimal. And so I'm hoping that that's going to be the case. I gotta really make myself do it. Anyway, so since this is the first week, let me go ahead and take it off of here. And we have New Year's Day on this week. I am going to do a New Year's spread, and I'm going to use this book, Seasonal, by Happy Planner and Wrong. And I have this page here, which I thought was really cute. So that's what I'm going to use. And then also, I couldn't find any pink and black flowers that I wanted to use. So I went over to my mom, she was across the street, and looked through her stash. And she had this page in a Live Love Posh book. I can't remember what book it is right now. I think it's Wanderlust, maybe? Anyway, so I tore out the page and I took a photocopy of it. The colors were pretty close, so I don't know. Yeah, this one's it's a tiny bit darker, but not enough to worry about it. Anyway, that way I can give her her sheet back, and I will just use this one. And then I got this washi, and I might get another washi, like maybe a black, but I don't know. Again, like I said, I want to keep this somewhat minimal. I don't want to over decorate. I want this planner to be a very just mostly functional planner for me, more so than decorative. In my vertical happy planner, I will do lots of really creative spreads, and I usually go pretty sticker heavy over there. And that one just takes me a lot longer to plan out and, figure out what I'm doing in it. This one, it's supposed to be my catch-all that I don't spend a lot of time decorating. But since there was so much interest in this planner, I wanted to, since it's new, I think a lot of people are just discovering it. Some of you already had discovered it. I had not. I wanted to go ahead and show it and, do the plan with me with it. So I'm thinking I'm going to put this here because I really don't care about next week all that much. So, see, the only problem with taking a photocopy is that then you got to do straight lines, which I'm really not great at. Well, it's probably not straight, but it'll be straight enough. So I'm not going to use all of the stickers on that page. I just wanted some of the flowers. Let's see if I'm going to be able to do this. There we go. Okay. So that's always something, or actually something that I just started doing not that long ago, is if I have like a sticker sheet that I love and I don't want to use it because I love it so much, I'll take a picture of it, a photocopy onto sticker paper. And then it's not so bad, right? Because I still have it. And this way too, because my mom was like, oh, just use it. But I don't want to use up her stickers, So I'll just take a copy of it on my printer. And the colors honestly are like close enough for me. Okay, so I wanted to start with that. And then honestly, this layout doesn't have a whole lot of area to decorate, I find. I think I'm going to put this one here. So I'm going to pause it for a second while I cut this out. Okay, so I went ahead and cut a a few of them. That way they'd be ready. I wouldn't have to keep pausing. Let's see, I think I'm going to put this one here, like that. And then this one, I'm going to put it here, this little corner. And then this little one, I'm going to put over here. I think I'm going to do, let's see. Let's do like that, and then I'll trim it. I think the next video I'm going to do is my work planner one because I need to have that ready. Let's see. Okay, so does this all fit on here? It does. Let's see. I wanted to use them. They're so cute. Where do they fit? I think I'm going to put them over here. I think they're going to go here. And then I've got this Happy New Year in pink, which looks so cute. So I guess Happy New Year should go here. Like that. And thankfully these, you know, are big enough for, like the right size for Happy Planner stickers. So I love this, wishing for peace, love, and laughter in the new year. So since I've got this list over here, I think I'm going to put this one over here on this side. Oh, actually, it might look kind of good right here, huh? Oh, I hear something. Oh, it's okay. I thought about putting it here. That looks kind of good, actually. I'm going to line it up with this so that it's, and of course I didn't do it straight. Hopefully it's coming up easily. Let's see if I can get it on here straight. Oh, it's straight enough. Okay. Now I've got some of these boxes. We've got plans. I think I'm going to put plans here because this will be where I write the plans for New Year's Eve, which will most likely be celebrating on the sofa. I don't know about you guys, but I am not a party animal. I was when I was a teenager, but I did all my partying in my teens. Unless if it's like a family party. Oh my god, I can't get it straight on here. Okay, there. Alright. This is going to take some getting used to, you guys. It really is. I kind of like her too. Maybe she can go like over here. Oh no, I like her. The one that says glitter is always an option. She looks cool. I like her too. Oh, but she's here. So let's put her. I think she's going to go right here. And then I wanted to use some of these headers because I think they're really cute. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want you to be able to see, you know, the to-do through the lighter colors, I'm going to go ahead and white these out. Where it says to-do. Like that. To-do. Okay. And then I'm going to use, let's see, to-do. I want it to be like centered on there. Am I even on? There we go. I put it there. And then let's do today. Let's do this to do over here. And we've got this one, the hot pink. This is like one of my favorite color combos. I love these. hot pink, black and white. All my spreads that I do in those colors always look really, really cute. All right, so this one's going to say to do, and then this one is going to say today. Oh, that one's off. A little bit more this way. Whoop. And then this one can also say today. Okay. That's looking cute so far. Let's add a few more boxes. I wonder if I could add one of these somewhere. Put it down. Let's see. Oh, and I've got my pink washi that I want to use too. This one says don't forget, and I really don't know, I haven't looked to see if I've got any kind of appointments this week. So I'm just going to put these boxes down here, and then I'm going to put this one here. And then I guess one more over here. It's just the pink. And then, let's see. I kind of want to use this pink washi. Let's put it here. There's Mia crying again. I think I want to do like just something to mark that both of these boxes are together, if that makes any sense. So like those, these two. I'm really excited too about the vertical layout for this planner. It's going to be one for 2024, and it should be here by Thursday, I think. So I'm just glad, because if this layout doesn't work for me, because of how, like, I don't know, it's like broken up. Like some's over here, and then it's just so different from what I'm used to, I guess I should say, that I might try using that vertical layout. And I want to say it'll be easier to decorate, but honestly, I wasn't supposed to be decorating this planner. I was not. Okay. It's looking cute so far. I like it. And I kind of want to do some highlighter on the, the boxes where I'm going to be kind of journaling a little bit. But I think I'll save that for after the video. And then I can decide. All right, and then a little bit more right here. Like that. All right. I think that's really cute. And it's not too much, It's like just the right amount of decorating. Do I want to add more? I don't know. Let's see. Let's just see. How's that look? Like under the two, maybe? Like over this, under Thursday to the end. That's kind of pretty, huh? All right, let me do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went through and I put it at the top, just like that, under each one of the days of the week. And I also put one over here and then one right here. And then the only other thing is this one doesn't have like a box or anything in it, so I'm thinking of just using this one. Why not? I'm going to move it to kind of be about the same height as that one. Like that. And I think that's pretty good. It's my first time with this layout, it's going to take some getting used to. It is definitely one that is meant to be more functional for me than decorative. But I wanted to decorate it with you guys for the first time. And I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? Oh, is it on frame? There we go. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comments, are you using this planner or are you just checking it out to see if you want one? They are from Planner Envy. Hey guys, it's Nellie. It's Monday morning. I just sat down to start writing in my planner. You can see I still have my robe on. And I didn't like all the white space, so I went ahead and added the highlighter. I think I mentioned it in the video, but I'm not sure. And I just like it so much more with the highlighter. I think it looks much better. It was just way too much white space for me. So before writing in it, I wanted to hop on real quick and add this to the video. The other thing I did was very minimal. I added these little gold dots from, it was in the book. I just didn't add them before. So anyway, I just added those little gold dots, and then I added the today and don't forget. I just felt like there was too much white space, but I didn't want to start writing in it before showing you guys and taking new pictures. So here it is. I'm excited to use it. So good luck with everybody's new planners today if you're jumping in this week. I know some people might wait until next week, but I started this week. So that's it. Bye.